Hello, my name is Kaveh Vaziri. I'm the co-founder and CEO of AppWings Limited. We're a company based in London, United Kingdom. We develop, publish, and market mobile apps for iOS, so iPhones and iPads, and we've been working with FreshBrain Studio for the last 2 years. We've been more than satisfied by our collaboration with FreshBrain because they have the best team of developers based on our experience working with over 10 teams of developers and companies. And we decided to continue our work and our future partnerships solely with FreshBrain Studio and dismiss any other studio, because we believe that not only they have the technical skills, but they also have something that is missing maybe in some other teams, is that they adapt very easily, they adapt very quickly, they can do different kinds of projects. For example, for us, they did both video editing apps as well as photo editing apps, but also Unity games. So these are totally different in terms of technical requirements, and they were still able to adapt very quickly. And not only they adapt, they're also very responsive. There's no language barrier whatsoever, that's for sure. They have a team that speaks, we had to deal with them in English and French until now, which is great, and English would have been enough actually. And they've been also very responsive, as I was saying. They don't hesitate to answer when it's the least expected, when there's something urgent to do, and that's much appreciated. The human interaction with them is also very, very smooth and easy, and we also appreciate that a lot. And we can only recommend them for you. And yeah.